And the learned counsel who was appearing, he was unable to explain. He asked him, what is your status when termination take place? The judge was looking here and there. There is something nice expression in the Transfer of Property Act. He was asking anybody. Then I got up and told him this provision is a tenant holding over is the expression used under Section 114 of the Transfer of Property Act. I was so happy, you know. And another happened in the city of Bombay. Our judge was using a wrong section with regard to the provision of CRPC. We always tell, my lord, the correct is this much. Because and judgments we would read through and we tell the court. Once happened, what happened? Justice Loda was, I was in his court. Was not my matter. He was discussing a matter whether tenancy is heritable or not heritable was the issue before the court. And a good Supreme Court judgment. When I told him this is the judgment of Ganpat Ladda's case of the Supreme Court, and this is Ananda Niwas case where statutory tenancy was, he was so happy. They tell you, and it is, and without sometimes know that there is no harm. Sometimes we are wrong. We must tell the court, I am sorry, apologize.
So tenancy is heritable, sir?
There were times in my junior days I made a lot of mistakes. Even sometimes we make. I went to the Chamber of Judges. I apologize. My behavior was not correct. I am sorry. It happens. We lose our temper. Sometimes we associate with your client. It became before it happened. Some before judges. I was wrong. I admitted. I immediately went to the chamber and I sought apology from the judge. Even before Justice Gautam Patel, who is one of the leading, excellent judge in the Bombay High Court, who was formerly our government law college principal, he's a professor. Before his court, I was to argue a particular matter of a gentleman who is 92-year-old, family dispute. My clients and the solicitors who briefed me, they were breathing down my neck. You must argue, don't concede adjournment. It's a family matter. So Justice Patel ke paas matter aaya. I would not know. He was the other side had briefed one of the ex-judge who had met with an accident, and I was not knowing he was in hospital. So I made a request to the learned judge, Justice Patel. My lord, in this matter, I am opposing the adjournment. Of course, he got angry with me. Mr. Shah, you do not know he is not well. Your learned opponent, he is in hospital. I am very sorry, my lord. I did not know about this. Then I went and apologized to him in the chamber because in a heat of moment on behalf of my client, I made this statement because the clients were breathing down my neck. It was a very unfortunate opposition I did it. I should not have done it. It's my mistake. So I went in the chamber and I apologized to him. Nothing wrong. So I was not knowing my opponent was in the hospital. Then I also went and met also my opponent in the hospital. I inquired about him. So that should be, we should not lose our good qualities. When your opponent is in difficulty, don't, even if the client tells you, don't oppose. Should not do that. So such mistakes we make. We all make mistakes. We must enter apology and forgive and forget is life. So, when you are right in your conviction and correctly do so, nothing wrong in it.
Okay. So like your lectures are wonderful, your life lessons are also equally wonderful, sir.
Yes, that should be according to me. You in the life you cannot be all the time right. Sometimes we go wrong. We must admit our mistake. Every human being is infallible. Nobody is immaculate. We all make mistakes. Please
but we need big guts to accept that.
No, you have to accept it. Even before Justice Oak ke paas, I went in the chamber once and I apologized to him. I had made some because already one counsel was engaged to argue a matter. I was not knowing. Then the client engaged me also to argue the matter. The Justice Oak is such a polite gentleman. He was little ill because Mr. So-and-so was already argued the matter. He is coming and why are you arguing, Mr. Shah, second time? I was taken by surprise. My client never told me this. Then I went in the chamber and I apologized to him. I was not knowing. I'm extremely sorry. This has happened in one of the finest judges. So we do not want to get our name spoiled like this. Sometimes the clients mislead you and don't get misled by the client. And one of the client who misled me he was an advocate. I'm so sorry to say that I just fired him. You cannot have two counsels to argue in the same matter. And you never told me earlier somebody else has already appeared in the matter for you. So when they become litigant, advocates also lose their sanity. So litigation is such a bad thing. It's a good thing also because you are under tension. You are under tension and they give tension to your counsel. This is how it happens. So really it's my mistake and I told the court, I'm so sorry. I was not informed by my client and I deeply regret the inconvenience, whatever happened. I apologize. बात में ठीक होगी बात.
Sir,
These are all-
this humbleness, this humble quality, how did you develop it? I mean, was it
You
from
will
your
develop it
very,
if you
very young age, or you developed it later on?
humility will develop it only. It is a very important quality for human being. A person like Nani Palkiwala, the greatest lawyer of India, he was always humble and down to earth. Very humble and down to earth. He commands the greatest respect. Humility pays you. And even our AG now presently in the Supreme Court, very humble, down to earth man. Man with sterling qualities. Even people like Fali Nariman, Soli Sorabji, they are all humble creatures. You see the humility. You read the book of Fali Nariman, My Life, and his books, Palkiwala's books, and the book of Shanti Bhushan, and all these leaders, excellent. All these people are very nice. And take the finest example in the city of Bombay, in the Bombay High Court, Rafiq Dada, such a humble creature. And we had Andyarjuna, 10 Andyarjuna, very humble lawyer, very nice, top eminent lawyer. All these eminent people are very nice and great. Humility, you will develop it. You have to have it. Please note that arrogance, don't let arrogance and success go your head. Then you will be regarded as a bad lawyer and also a bad human being. You should not be that. Yeah, anybody wants to ask me any question, please do that.
Sir,
Sir,
two
we want to
questions.
thank you.
My
Sir, two
pleasure.
Sir,
questions, sir.
everybody. You have a question?
Yeah. Sir, you said tenancy is inheritable. Sir, tenancy is not inheritable, no, sir.
Tenancy, that issue, Supreme Court has left it open. The provisions of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act, the expression used is heirs and legal representatives, and it is heritable. If the heirs are not, if the members of the family are not there, it goes to heirs. Huh? The heirs mean inheritance right comes under the Hindu Succession Act. It is heritable. It is heritable.
Okay, sir. And sir, how do you resist pressure from the clients? Like you gave the advocate example, the advocate was not well.
When my BP shot up, I take one BP tablet. I go for a walk and play a good game of tennis and come cool down.
Thank you so much.
If you are swimming, cultivate the habit of swimming. Swimming, exercising, yoga karo, walk kare, and play some games.
Pranayam will keep you cool, no, sir?
Listen to some good music also.
Every morning do pranayam. And that will help to improve memory also, sir.
Get up early in the morning because
Yes.
sometimes now I develop a bad habit. I'm reading whole night now, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Because my wife is fasting, so she gets up in the morning 4 o'clock. So along with her, I also get up. She's fasting, but I am feasting. I am only reading. So then I sleep in the morning after 5 o'clock onward. Normally I used to get up 3 o'clock and read during my college days and my court litigation days. I get up 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock to read. Abhi sab ulta ho gaya. This pandemic has done ulta pulta. Anytime you sleep, anytime you get up, that is the cause. But student, as you cultivate, try to sleep early and get up early morning. Sleep by 10:30, 11 o'clock so jaiye. Subah mein 4 baje uth ke padho. 4 o'clock se set your alarm. In South India, where I was studying near Tirupati, I was a student from South India, where the present Chief Justice of India gives him. Our school, we used to get up 3 o'clock in the morning. सुबह 3 बजे उठने की आदत थी पढ़ने के लिए. That was the habit. Yes, anybody last question पूछ लीजिए. We can wind up and.
Yes, sir. Even after we passing out, we will be certainly, once the situation of the COVID settles down, we'll be coming to your chamber to meet you, sir.
Most welcome. Many students have been coming to me, and you all are welcome to. Okay, anytime.
Yeah.
Anytime you want to come and see the proceedings which I conduct also. You get the glance of the proceedings I conduct. Haan ji, boliye.
And we just hope that we can inculcate some of the good habits, the good things that you have told us.
See, once you pass the law and you will be meeting in the court, you will be our friend and colleague, and we'll be rubbing shoulder to shoulder. We'll have a cup of tea and discuss matter in the library. Milenge, court mein milenge.
So
Possibly,
be it, sir.
we will also be opponent one fine day in the court. we can
We will
either
always be your students, sir.
either we work in a brief together or we oppose each other. It happens, isn't it?
Sir?
Yeah, boliye.
So I just wanted to say thank you, sir, on behalf of all students and especially me being LD, sir. Thank you for
Thank you so much.
always,
all,
explaining a little bit extra and giving examples because for such students, examples being like learning disability help us grasp far more than, normal students. Sometimes we forget a lot. So I just wanted to say thank you for teaching everyone with so
With great
and making
passion
everybody feeling
and from
comfortable
core of your
and
heart.
not feeling judgmental, because I know so many teachers who said that, like, oh, you're stupid, and thank you for being so welcoming, sir.
I am really humbled by your kind words. I am so happy to be all with you all, and you people have been
Sir
very
has
good
become
students.
emotional. Sir,
We
You
are
are very nice students, and I am always
sir, we are going to trouble you while we
anytime. You
will
are
be
most
practicing.
all of you welcome to trouble me anytime, any difficulty. I'm always
Thank
there.
you so much, sir.
Okay,
You
take
are
care.
our
All the best, and
inspiration.
we'll inform you when to meet for your arbitration lecture. You want a couple of lectures we'll take. I think I do not want to take much of your time.
No, sir.
Maybe
You don't take our time. It's a very humbling experience, sir, to learn from you.
Just skip
And
tomorrow. Maybe I will inform you tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow when we'll take it. Okay.
yes, I'd like to
Till
take
then,
take
good
10
night to you
seconds,
and
sir.
all of you. And please, all of you go home and do steaming. Take steaming.
Sir,
Finally.
you also take care of
Yes,
yourself.
I am doing it. That is why I'm fit. I do yoga.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
I did
Thank
yoga
you.
for 2 hours. Okay. Good night. Bye bye.
Good
Good
night, sir.
night,
Thank
Thank
sir.
you,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.